how to check your GCB account number on phone. This is a step-by-step process, okay? So all that you have to do is just dial *422# and then call it, okay? When it comes, just select any of the network. It works on all network, and then just wait for it to come. And then over here, as you can see, we have two options, but I want you to select the option 1, that is the GCB mobile banking, okay? Just select that one and then click on the send. So just wait for it to come, and then when it comes, you see we have all these options to top up airtime, fund transfer, mobile money, school fees and all that. But I want you to select the option 6, okay? That is the other services. Just select that one and then wait for it to come. And over here we have several options as well. That is balance inquiry, statements, that is change PIN, and then opt in for G-Money. So we are going to request for a statement, okay? And that is the option 2. Just select the option 2 and then click on the send, okay? So the statement is about like your account history, okay? So all that you have to do is just enter your PIN, your 4-digit PIN, and then click on the next. So they are then going to send you the statement. Okay, it is a mini statement, and the mini statements mostly come with your account number showing on it, okay? Mostly they will send it through an SMS indicating that this and this and this period is what has been transacted, okay? So that is the first way that you can get your account number on your mobile phone, okay? But if you still do not get it due to some changes based on what they have done, the other alternative that you have is the welcoming message that was issued by GCB when you created your account. Mostly when you create your account, they will send you a welcoming message, and this welcome message indicates your account number on it, okay? So all that you have to do is to check your inbox and then see if you still have this message. Then you can simply find your account number from there, okay? So if you still do not have the message or you have somehow deleted it, then the next option that you have is to simply just go to your WhatsApp and then come and then save this number, the GCB Bank PLC customer care number, okay? That is their WhatsApp number. It works only on working days from Monday to Friday, okay? Just save it on your phone, and then all that you have to do is to chat them one-on-one, okay? They are then going to ask you some few questions showing that you are actually the person who wants to find that account number, okay? And then they are then going to give you the account number directly without any difficulty. This is the one that I really know it works, and then it works very well, okay? So this is how to know your account number from your phone at home. Just like the video, then see you in my next video.